Hey friends, Wayne over here at Ram Man Inc. Don't forget the ink. So here we go. We're checking our boosters that we're getting ready to send out. This gentleman's got a 64 Plymouth. He's trying to do a first class resto. Sent us his rod that he got plated, his original rod. Got these cans, they're beautiful. Turned out quite well, I believe, don't you think? So this is on 64, and it's obvious, correct factory bolt with the square nut. This is Dan's 64 Plymouth Fury Franzetta. So it's in really good shape. So we'll do this last minute check, quality control, before we send it off to him. You know, changing boosters is a pain in the ass. It ain't no fun. Some people pull the seat, some people don't. 2-foot extension, 1/4 inch drive, 1/2 inch deep socket with an old school 1/4 inch wiggler and 1/4 inch ratchet, and it's on. You may take the seat out or leave the seat in. It was hard when I was 17 and 18 and 15. My God, it'd be really rough now. Okay. Old disabled vet that I am. Beat up old vet. Looky there. Look how easy that is. Recovers real fast. So, the action's very smooth. Works very well. Let's turn the engine off. Dan didn't do a tune-up. The damn thing backfired and quit going down the highway. And so now he needs to pull off to the side of the road. And if his can's got integrity and the check valve's working right, we'll have a vacuum reserve and we'll be able to do it. While we've been bullshitting, the engine's been off. There we go. There we go. And she's done. She don't want to recover no more. All vacuums exhausted. Alright, Dan, enjoy your booster, my friend. Deserves to be on the best of the best. Happy Mopar, God bless you. God bless America. And be good.